So our next video is about the statistical and counting function and an exercise for those functions. If you want to give this exercise a try in advance, please feel free to do so. I will link it in the video description, but then please pause the video here because the next part of the video will be a solution for this exercise. So here we are. Here we have a list of 2000 companies. We use this for the XLOOKUP function exercise as well. And now we should, here you have the formula you should use, and here then the instructions. So for the total negative profit, use the SUMIFS function. Our sum range is the profit column. Our criteria range is also the profit column. And to have the negative profits, write smaller than 0 inside here and in quotation marks. And you see it's right, 1.9 billion, I guess, yeah. Total profits of German companies, also SUMIFS, sum range, profits, criteria range, country, criteria is Germany. You could either write it in quotation marks or use the cells here I've provided. The sum of profits of Japanese companies with a market cap of over 100 billion. So profits we want to sum up. Criteria 1 is Japan. And market cap should be larger than a 1 with 5 zeros following. The number of German companies, use COUNTIFS. Criteria is the country. Criteria range is the country. Criteria is Germany. And 52 out of 2000 companies is our result. Number of companies with negative earnings, so negative profits, so to say. We count the profits that are large, the rows with profits, with companies with profit that are smaller than 0. 122. German companies with negative earnings also COUNTIFS. Country is Germany, and profits in quotation marks smaller than 0. 2 companies here. Average market cap of all US companies with positive earnings. So average IFS, Average range is market cap. Criteria is country, United States, select the cell, and also profits larger than 0. Maximum turnover, so maximum sales. Sometimes mix those terms up to make it a little bit more appealing. You use the max function and as a column the sales. So this should be some here Walmart, could also be some oil company. Maximum turnover for German company, max IFS. Maximum range is sales. Criteria is country, so to say Germany, and it's 295. This should be Volkswagen. Where is it? Here. Yeah, it's Volkswagen. Minimum profit, so I think largest loss. Minus 132 billion. That's a lot. Don't know which company this is. And minimum market cap for a German company with more than 100 billion in profits. You use minifs. Minimum range, you select the market value. Criteria, first Germany as a country, and then profits, they should be larger than 10 with, so a 1 with 4 zeros. so around 56 billion. The fourth largest turnover, the eighth smallest market capitalization. You could also select the sell 4K here, so 414 million. That's not much. So here you need to combine and nest those formulas. These are a little bit more advanced exercises. So name of the company with the fourth largest turnover. So we need an XLOOKUP. Our lookup value is the fourth largest turnover. Our lookup array is the sales or turnover column, and our return array is the name column, and it's Sinopec, I think a Chinese oil giant. So the turnover of all companies which make less turnover than the company with the 200 smallest turnover. So SumFS, sum range is the turnover column, criteria range is also the turnover column, and the criteria is small of the turnover column and the 200 smallest. This is wrong. Less than. Oh, sorry. So less than. Here with this and the equal sign, you use you combine those values and search for them. Number of all German companies that creates more turnover than the company with the 200 smallest turnover. So count FS. Criteria range is Germany. So the country column. And also turnover, and we use larger than and sign, small, also the turnover or sales column, and 200, either write it inside the formula or select the cell here, and you have 84. We've solved the fourth exercise. I hope it went well for you. If you have any questions, please address them in the video in the comment section.